This invention is for the pastor at Trinity Life Center. Actually, the entire church. But it's not an invention, it's just an upgrade. Okay. The top of the church, it's like this. Okay, it's a circle, and there's light coming from the top, and then there's lines like that. There's lines. Okay, we're gonna make the top see-through. During the day, it'll have transitional glass. The bars are gonna be speakers. You're gonna upgrade the bars to speakers. Okay, the glass is bulletproof transitional. Okay, I want to check the framing of the rooftop. I know it's about 50, 60, well, a little bit over 60 years old. So you might want to check the frame. Okay. Now on the balcony's got one of these. Okay, you're gonna change this into speaker bars, long speaker bars. Okay. Donations will be accepted. Offerings and donations are accepted if you love our church. So when you give to God, God returns in abundance. So the lines are going to be replaced with speaker bars. The glass is going to be replaced with see-through bulletproof transitional. That way it can withstand storms. And yeah, the speakers that are hanging from the rooftop, remove them because that causes weight to pull to have the rooftop. You don't want the rooftop to fall on anyone. Okay, so that's actually kind of dangerous. Believe it or not, when you go with hang speakers, that's only required for like concerts or events, not to keep permanently because it causes weight on the rooftop. A rooftop shouldn't have any type of weight. It's very dangerous. Okay, my upgrade to Trinity Life Center. I love you guys very, 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 very much. God bless. Sorry I didn't give it off. Actually, that upgrade's kind of my offer. Well, I did give it off. I know. Have a nice